in May of 2022, I was diagnosed with stage 4 pancreatic cancer, and I was very, very sick. And through a friend, she came over one evening and said, "Are you going to start chemotherapy?" And I said, "I can't. I would never. I will not make it. I am a retired nurse, so I knew enough about the oncology world, and I just said I wouldn't make it. I was so sick." So she gave me a business card and said, "I think you need to contact these folks. We have a friend out there in Scottsdale, and he's having very good success with Dr. Tom at Causenta." So within 2 weeks from the day of diagnosis, we were in Scottsdale, Arizona, meeting with Dr. Tom, Dr. Anderson, and the team. I was very sick, and after 3 months of hard work with Dr. Tom, I kept getting stronger and stronger. And September 1st, after 3 months, my tumor had shrunk in half on my pancreas, and the tumor on my liver and then the tumors on my omentum had gotten smaller. So we had to come back to Maine after 3 months, and we came back, and Dr. Tom had suggested the possibility of seeing a surgical oncologist to maybe have surgery to remove some of the tumors. Well, we met with had two consults, and I was not a candidate for surgery. So in October of 2022, we talked to an oncologist and decided maybe I should try chemotherapy. So we did 12 weeks of chemotherapy. And I can honestly say I don't believe the chemotherapy really did a lot for me, except made me very, very sick. And I lost a lot of weight, and it was pretty tough, and got neuropathy, and nothing positive really came from that therapy. So the therapy ended, and we just kept, day by day, still trying to talk to Dr. Tom out in Scottsdale. He set me up with, a nutrition, and also supplements and an EWAT. So we have an EWAT at our home here in Maine. And so after a while, after a few months, I started getting a little stronger. Well, more than a few months, but started getting stronger, a little stronger. And then we went back out to see Dr. Tom in 2023, because I started to feel a little anxious and a little concerned about the cancer. And so, he said, "Come on out." And we went out and worked with him for, I believe it was 3 weeks. And I had another PET scan. And we did deep regional hyperthermia with Dr. Tom, and some of the other therapies that he offers. I ended up having another PET scan, and while I was in Scottsdale, Arizona, the PET scan report came back, and it said no evidence of disease. We were just in awe, to say the least. I kept saying, "Okay, my name is Pam B. My date of birth is, are you sure that you have the right patient, the right chart?" And there was no evidence of disease. So we just, I've got to say that we had thousands of people praying for me. And I believe the combination of Causenta with Dr. Tom's knowledge and just all that he's done for us, for our family, and it was just incredible. I mean, right now, I had another PET scan, and in where are we right now? We're in May. I think it was in January, and it showed no evidence of disease.